It's another beautiful, gorgeous day out here in Arizona, and we're in Waddell, Arizona, in a subdivision. It's called Windrose, and our builder is called DRB Homes. Beautiful home right here to show you, and I can't wait to show it to you. It's really nice, and you've got options galore what you want to do back here. It's being modeled as 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a flex room, an office, and a 3-car garage. However, if you don't need one of those flex rooms, you can have it as 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a flex room, and a 3-car garage. Either way, it's a beautiful home, and you have options with this house. And where are we again? Waddell, Arizona. In a subdivision, it's called Windrose. Our builder, DRB Homes, and of course your realtor, me, Mary Kay Marino. I'd be honored to work for you. So let's not waste any more of your time. Let's go show you this beautiful home. Remember, let me know down in the comments what you're thinking, and now let's go. Alrighty now, so we're standing in front of the Cinnabar. How about 2561 square feet? 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, a flex room, 3-car garage. However, it is being modeled a little differently. It's being modeled 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a flex room, an office, 3-car garage for the base price of $589,990. However, they have a quick move in as well, and I'll tell you a little bit about that. But let's just go ahead and show you this one. And again, we are in Waddell, Arizona, and this one is called the Cinnabar. So as we're walking in, they have a gate right here, the metal gate. We're going to go ahead and walk on in. Nice long walkway into the home, which is kind of nice. It's all pavered. And then right over here is going to be a front little courtyard, which is nice. And then they have slider glass doors right there going into the office area. So really nice home. It says come on in. So let's go ahead and go on in, show you this beautiful home. Alrighty, standing right here, right in front of the front door. I noticed right away, light and bright, open, spacious. You're not going to feel cramped. You're not going to feel like you're walking down a tunnel by any means. It's really, really nice. But I'm going to take a few steps and turn you to the left, and that's the office. I will let you know right off the bat, it's not huge by any means. It's not enclosed. You have the columns right there so that you don't feel so claustrophobic. But it's actually not bad. If you keep a nice, neat office, unlike me, then this would work. And you're going to have it right off the front door right here. And then coming around the corner, this is what it's going to look like because we have these partitions right here. Also a nice view out to the front courtyard. Again, that's going to be your slider door right there out to the front yard. Not to the front yard, well, to the front courtyard. So we're going to come back to the front door. We're going to swing around this way. We're going to go all the way up. And this is the kind of the front area. This is where the kids' room are, the guest rooms are. And we're going to go all the way to the end. This is guest bedroom number 1. That window is out to the front. And then right over here is their own bathroom, which is nice. Hello. And there is your vanity. I'll go all the way up for you. And then the toilet, and then the tub and shower combination right there. And then backing up out of that is going to be the walk-in closet. Not too bad. And then I'll give you another look of the bedroom from in here. So that's pretty nice. I believe that, if I were guessing, that's a full-size bed right there. Plenty of space on both sides to put bedside tables. That as we exit out of here and look as the hallway, you have all those nice windows up there. That's the front walkway up to the front door. But we're going to go ahead and walk down here. And this is another open area. This could be another bedroom, but the model is showing it as a flex room. Now you could use it as a game room, a TV room for the kiddos, get out of my hair room, whatever it is that you may need or want. You can see in the corner there is the closet. If you wanted to make this a bedroom instead of using it as an open space right here. I will take you back down right here, open this door. I'm going to assume this is going to be linen. Yes. And it goes from the bottom all the way up to the top. Wow, they got the memo. Plenty of shelving right there. 2 nice windows right here out to the backyard. How about out to the side yard? So we're going to continue walking down the hall. Here is the shared bathroom. double sinks, which is always a plus in my opinion, going all the way up. And then they have a walk-in shower with a nice window above. And then backing up out of here, going down the hall some more, it's going to be guest bedroom number 2. Nice window out to the side. And again, a very nice sized room. And then right around the corner, right over here, let me open the door right here for you. They have a nice walk-in closet. And then backing up, give you another look of this room. There you go. So as we come back out, I want to show you, here's the front door. There's the office that we originally were in. Swing you back around, down the hallway here. All the way down the end of the hallway is guest bedroom number 1. Right over here is going to be the flex room, game room for the kids, or it could be another bedroom. Next to that is going to be shared bathroom. And then right next to that is going to be guest bedroom number 2 in the model. Bring you another look here. Then as we circle around, brings us to the front door and the office right here. So we're going to walk a few steps up here, turn to the left. And then right here is going to be guest half bath. And then down at the other end of the hall right here is going to be your favorite room. Rah, rah, shishkumba. No, thank you. A very nice, spacious laundry room. They're showing it with cabinets and a sink. If you're going to build from the ground up, that's definitely going to be an upgrade. However, if you're going with a quick move-in, it may or may not have it. If you want it, it doesn't have it. As I always say, I have recommendations and referrals for all my clients. This is just one of the many services I provide for my clients. Whatever you need, I'm going to get it for you. Also, access into the primary closet, so you have easy access into your favorite room, the laundry room. No, thank you. And here's another look of the office. Coming back out to the hallway, and directly across is going to be the formal dining room area. This is a very large area, very large room, has a nice large window out to the side of the house. If you are not wanting to put a formal dining room here and you want to put something else, maybe you want to put a pool table here, or maybe you want it to have another dedicated place for the kids to play, you have plenty of room for it. It's a very large space. Front door, office, and then right over here is another, I'm going to assume, coat closet. Yes, we do. Coat closet right here. And then as we back up, it brings us right into the main part of the house, the kitchen, the dining, and the family room. Go ahead and enjoy. It's really, really nice. So let's swing you back around and get you back into the kitchen. Try not to make you too dizzy right here. It's a very open kitchen, very bright kitchen. It's a very beautiful kitchen. They have a nice island here. It's a wide island, and it seats right now 3. And let me give you another angle of this island because it is very nice. Let me go to the other side because of the decorations they have. You can't quite see it over there, so I do apologize for that. It is wide. In fact, I can't even get far enough away from it to show you how wide it is. It is a gourmet chef kitchen. 2 wall ovens, and then your microwave is right down here. It has a gas stove top with a beautiful stainless steel hood above. Get you up close personal look. Very, very nice. And then I get you a look on the island on this side. Let me now go to the other side to show you what this looks like. Trying to get you as many angles as possible so that you can get a feel for it, just in case you're thinking it may work for you. I'll stand in the middle of the island so you have an idea what that looks like. Your nice, spacious family room. Then you have those glass slider doors and they open all the way up. And then glancing more to the right is going to be your spacious dining room. Windows everywhere. So you have a lot of natural light coming into this home. You have them out to the side of the yard, the backyard, and also to your patio. 2 entrances out to your back patio. You have the 2 panel sliders there, and then you have your 3 large panels right over there. You can pick and choose any size and shape table you want. You have plenty of room. They're showing it with an oval, a circle. Very, very nice. And then as I back up a little bit more, show you the family room one more time. And then I'm going to give you another look on this side. I will show you the pantry. I didn't forget, I promise you I will show it to you. In fact, I'm going to take you there right now. And here we go. Pantry all the way up. Very, very nice. And just as a reminder, if you would like a brochure guide that I am offering you, it's on new build, what to avoid, what to do, what not to do when you're buying a new build. If you would like that, if you're interested in that, all you have to do is text me guide and I will get that off to you. Isn't this a beautiful home? Let's go ahead and walk on past this, bring you into the primary. Hello, so many mirrors. And then walk you all the way into the bedroom area. Nice large window. Nice spacious bedroom, plenty of room. You have 2 smaller windows over there on the top. That will be out to the side of the yard. And then a nice large one to the backyard, as I already mentioned. So as we turn around here, we are going to walk you into the bathroom. And again, a very nice spacious bathroom. Look at the party shower, all glass. It's going to be a race to who gets to the shower first, because you know the last person is going to have to squeegee it. Oh my lordy, it sure looks pretty, but I would hate to have to squeegee it every day. But you know what, I already do that every day anyway. So let's look at your vanity. It is split vanities right here. And here's the one with the makeup and a regular vanity. And also a very nice window. A lot of natural light coming into this bathroom, which is nice. Right next to that is your water closet. Hello, I hope you're having a marvelous day. Absolutely beautiful out here in Arizona. I'm filming this in October. The weather is in the 80s. There's your other vanity right here. Let me get you another look on that and go all the way up for you. Isn't that pretty? And then walk you into the clothes closet. High lows, that's nice. And then come all the way over on this side. Let me open and shut this door for you. And you do have access into the laundry room, which is always nice. So you have like a his and her side. So this is one side. You have upper and lowers with places to put also purse, shoes, and so forth, okay? And then I'm gonna swing around, and that's the other side. And then this is easy access into the laundry room, and that is coming in right from the garage entrance. So when you're coming in from the garage, you can come directly right into your closet, into your bathroom, change your clothes, and whatever else you want to do. Give you another look at that one vanity. Sure is pretty, isn't it? And then as we exit out of here, it brings us right back into the family room, the kitchen, the dining room. I'm going to zoom in for you so that you have an idea what that looks like. There are the slider doors, and those open up all the way. They slide all the way from all the way, boom, 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 boom. My sound effects. So how about if I go ahead and take you outside, show you the backyard, which is very, very nice as well. Here we go. Lot sizes out here, right around 8,500 square feet. Large enough to have your own private pool, because if you want a pool, guess what? The HOA out here does not have one. So you're definitely going to need to build it yourself. And if you need recommendations and referrals for that, I have that for you. Landscapers, pool people, whatever it is you want to need for your home, I have it. So as you can see, you have plenty of space to put in your pool if you want. I'll bring you to the center near the back patio so you can kind of get a look at what that looks like. There we go. They're showing it with artificial turf, the pavers, and the shrubbery and the trees that get along well with the Arizona weather out here. You do have a nice size covered patio back there. Very, very, very nice. And again, as a reminder, I am offering, if you would like a guide, a new build guide, the do's and don'ts of buying new builds, what to look out for, what not to do, what to do. All you have to do is drop me a text that says guide, and I will be happy to send that off to you. So let's give you a recap on this beautiful home. It's called the Cinnabar, 2561 square feet. It's being modeled as 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a flex room, an office, a 3-car garage. However, if you don't need one of those flex rooms, you can get it in 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. Base price on this house starts right at $589,990. However, they do have a quick move-in available right now if you like it for $599,990. If it's something that you're interested in, call, text, or email me, whatever your mode of communication is. That's what we are here to do, to make sure you get the best deal for you, to keep as many dollar bills in your pocket. Let's not give it to the seller, and let's not give it to the builder. Let's keep it in your pocket. So what do you think of this beautiful home? And again, we are in Waddell, Arizona, in a subdivision. It's called Windrose, and our builder is DRB Homes. Lot sizes out here, as I did mention earlier, right around 8,500 square feet. Big enough for a pool, because with the HOA, you don't get one. And as far as your HOA, what is it? $75 a month. And what exactly do you get? Well, like I just said, you do not get a pool. However, you get parks. You get 3 parks. You get playgrounds throughout this whole community. You get 3 basketball courts, and they have barbecue areas sprinkled throughout the community if that's something that you want to use instead of using your own backyard. If you want to build from the ground up, you most certainly can do that. You just need a time frame right around 6 months. However, if you don't want to wait 6 months, which I kind of don't blame you, you don't have to. They have quick move-ins on this particular model and other floor plans, which I will tell you a little bit about in just a second. The other floor plans they have, I have to look at my cheat sheet so I can give you the information. They have them as small as right around 22, 24 square feet. And they also go up all the way over 3,000 square feet. They have a variety of different floor plans out here. So if you want to be in Waddell, Arizona, if you like the Windrose community, if you like DRB Homes, well, fantastic. However, if this is not suiting you at all you have to do is let me know. We will find the exact location, the exact home, the exact community that you're looking for that will make you happy in your brand new home out here in Arizona. And as a reminder, if you want that guide, what to avoid, the do's and don'ts of buying a new build, all you have to do is text me guide and I'll send that out to you. In case you don't know who I am, or maybe you forgot who I am, my name is Mary Kay Marino, and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you looking for help to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. So whether you live in state, out of state, or even out of the country, that is perfectly fine with us, because after all, we're here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible. And as far as your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's okay, because we're here to make sure your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across the finish line, the home ownership here in Arizona. So don't be bashful and don't be shy. Call us, text us, email us. That's what we're here to do, and we'd be honored to work for you. So, like I always say, until I see you around town next time, show you around town next time, you have a marvelous, awesome, incredible day. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.